Hi, I'm Matt Driggs, and today I just wanted to share some of my thoughts about what are the three most important things to look for in hiring an attorney, especially a personal injury attorney. I've been practicing for almost 25 years now, and I've done thousands and thousands of cases and have been involved in trials, and I've seen it from a lot of different perspectives. And I've taken a moment to think about what are my top three. If I got an asked what would be the most important things for me. So here they are for what it's worth. I would say the first thing you want to look for is experience. The reason experience is so important in these types of cases is you need to know how to value a case. And the whole point of this is you don't know how to value a case. You wouldn't know what your case is worth. Problem is a divorce lawyer or some guy that does estate plan, they don't either. You know what a case is worth after years of doing lots and lots of cases. With experience, you have clout with the other side. You have experience with the court. You're not intimidated by anything, and you know what's out there. So you really do want someone that has experience in this type of law. So that'd be my first thing, is you want someone who knows what they're doing, experience. The second thing that I would say is most important is communication. And it's interesting, the number one complaint by far against attorney is lack of communication. People will call in and their attorneys blow them off, and they do that oftentimes because they haven't done anything on their case. They don't know what to do, to really be a really good advocate, an attorney for someone, you need to be talking to them. What's important to you? Find out and have a relationship of trust and communication. And, if you don't feel comfortable with your attorney, if they're not returning your calls, you don't want that at all. So you look for someone who is going to be there for you, that is communicative and tells you what's going on, is always returns your call and calls you and lets you know what's going on. That'd be my second thing. The third thing that I would say is a must is someone that actually cares about you, that is truly your advocate. And what I've seen over the years is that every case really is different. Every individual has a different concern, like what's most important to them. It might be their employer, it might be their bills or their loss. There could be a lot of things. You want a lawyer who actually listens to you and then goes after and gets what's important to you. That is really what matters, is that the attorney is your advocate, getting you what is most important for you. So you need somebody not only that has the tenacity and the willingness and the drive to go for it, but also the resources. You want to pick a law firm that has the kind of money that can fight some of these bigger cases, that can fund and pay for experts and handle things that can go up against these insurance companies and their lawyers. So you want someone that has been around and is bigger firm. The one thing you don't want is somebody that is going to settle your case. Let's say that everyone agrees that it's worth 25, or they think it's worth 25, but then they talk you into settling for 20 because it's easier, and their little marginal difference of that little bit extra isn't worth it for them. You don't want that kind of guy. You want the person that is saying, if it's worth 25, we'll get you 25. We're not going to cut corners here. We're going to fight for you, and we're going to win. And we're going to go until you get what is fair.